Good morning, unicorns. Welcome. It is Monday, January 25th, 2021. Fourth week of the quarter. Miss Sanders here reporting to you live from Utterback Middle School. I'm here just to do a couple of things. This will be very quick today. I first want to let you all know that we are in the fourth quarter, and that means that next week is the fifth quarter, the halfway point of the quarter. And so what that means is that progress reports will be available to your parents after next week. And so I just wanted to remind you of that and hope that that encourages and inspires you to really tune in, especially for those of us that have received I's from the last quarter. Remember, if you're not keeping up this quarter, in addition to your proposed makeup work from last quarter, that does make you invalid to receive a higher grade. So please make sure you all are really pushing forward, attending advisory, which is really, really important to do. And keep up, okay? Keep up, keep it trucking, keep it moving, okay? We're trying to get everybody to the next grade. Okay, we don't want to retain or hold anyone back. I know I said it 1,000 times, but I still continue to see folks that are not taking full advantage of all that we have to offer. Please remember that we do have 21st century programs available for tutoring. If you need support in getting connected with those resources, please email me, send me an email, or you can communicate with Miss Marlowe, the 8th grade ELA teacher, okay? You can find her email on our website. Tomorrow's a very important day. We have a visiting team coming in to observe teaching and learning here at Utterback Middle School. And I understand that, this is going to be different than it has been in the past because it's all through Zoom. So we're going to be having guests popping in and out of your Zoom classes. And so I wanted to let you know that ahead of time so you're not weirded out when you see potentially a group of folks coming in with their, I'm assuming the cameras will be off, but, just be aware, okay? I'm going to ask and highly encourage that you all fully participate in your lessons like you're always supposed to do, and that you please have your cameras on. I know that some teachers are very flexible with you guys and are allowing you the affordability to not always turn your camera on, but for the sake of the observations so that our external observers can see what teaching and learning looks like, having the cameras on does make a big difference with that, okay? I know your teachers know, you know what you're doing, but when somebody is coming in just for a quick snapshot of our school and sees nothing but a sea of black screens, that can leave an impression that we're not fully engaging in our work. And so in order to mitigate that, in order to deter that from happening, I really do want us all to have our cameras on unless it's absolutely not possible. And if that's the case, please make sure that you're communicating that either in chat or verbally with your teacher, okay? So we will be seeing you all during second and fourth periods. Please make sure that you are on your best behavior and that you represent yourself in the highest fashion, okay? Because the way you represent yourself is the way you represent Utterback as well during the school day. So please make sure that you guys are engaged, okay? Real quick, so today is the day where I'm going to announce the bi-weekly raffle and incentive winners. And so for this week, we had students to do 3 things. One, share 2 pieces of work samples from any 2 classes, write a 3 to 5 sentence paragraph on a staff member that has helped during remote learning, and share a motivational video and write a paragraph on how the message motivates you to keep going. And so you were to submit those video or all of those documentations to your advisory teacher, or to myself, and they would forward the information on to me. And so this time around, we actually only have 5 participants who completed all of the requirements. And so as a result, I've decided that we're going to just go ahead and award all 5 of those entries for for these $25 gift cards. So all 5 participants will receive a $25 gift card in the mail coming to you shortly. And so thank you for being outstanding students and setting yourselves apart. I just want to give a quick recognition to those students. Hayden Barker, congratulations. 7th grader Hayden Barker. Yadira Sendis, congratulations. Thank you for being an exceptional student and sending that information. This information really does help to get me to understand what you're taking away from this remote learning experience. That's why I did it this way. Grace Comia, congratulations. I'll be sending you your $25 gift card in the mail here. And Lely Coral Montijo, congratulations. Thank you for being an outstanding Otterbeck student. And Noe Alba, thank you for being awesome. We really do. It means something to me when I offer opportunities, when my students take it and as a show of good faith, and the fact that you stood out from the other 330 students, you deserve it. Okay, so congratulations, great job, you guys. And so as we get our week started, please make sure you all are communicating with your teachers, especially about attendance and things like your grades. Check your grade book right now. Go into Gradebook, check your grades, look to see what assignments have been graded and what grades you got on them. Look to check to see what assignments you have missing and make it right in advisory right now. Okay, right now. I want everyone to do that. Everyone needs to log into their gradebook, log in and see the status of your classes. I cannot stand when I ask a student, oh, how are your classes going? And they have no idea. I think that's ridiculous. This is what advisory is used for, so use it, okay? All right. Have a wonderful week. I will see you all again on Thursday with our new bi-weekly raffle, and maybe we'll have more participants this time. All right. Take care, you guys.